Hello, my name is Michael Zornick. I am an independent developer working under the company name Clickable Bliss. Today I'd like to give you a quick getting started tutorial of ProfitTrain. ProfitTrain is an application for Mac OS X that helps freelancers and small businesses create and manage invoices. When you first start up ProfitTrain, it will create a business based on your address book Me card. To edit your business details, open the business editor. You may notice that ProfitTrain has built-in support for running multiple businesses. Should you require such a feature, simply create an additional business and use the Active Business pull-down to toggle which business you'd like to work with. Within the business editor, you can do a few things with your business, including editing your contact info, optionally linking to an address book card, setting up defaults such as hourly rate and any kind of taxes you need to collect, defining an invoice number scheme, assigning a logo that will appear on the invoice, or modifying the words and phrases used on the invoice to match your own business vocabulary. For now, let's keep the contact info as is and add our company logo. Next, we need to create some clients, and to do that, let's return to the main window. The main window of ProfitTrain should feel familiar for Mac users. On the far left, we have a source list which holds your clients grouped as active or inactive. In the toolbar, we have icons representing the main collections of the application, such as to-dos and invoices. As you toggle these toolbar icons, the main view of the window will adjust, showing to-dos and invoices scoped to the selected client in the source list. To add a new client, simply select New Client from the main menu or hit the plus icon at the bottom of the source list. To edit a client, open up the Client Inspector by double-clicking their name or using the right-click menu. Just like a business, we can edit or link contact info with an address book card, as well as client-specific settings and defaults. For this client, let's link it to an address book card we already have in the system. To create an invoice in ProfitTrain, we have two general workflow options. Some people will go on to use the to-do view. Here you can keep track of what you are doing for a client via a simple built-in to-do list. Beyond a few optional fields such as due dates, you can also use the stopwatch to track your time as you do work on the computer. When you are ready to invoice, simply select the to-dos you want to get paid for and hit Invoice Selected. This will create a new invoice with line items for each to-do, pre-filling all available content including time and hourly rates. Others, however, might be interested in creating an invoice directly, and that's an option as well. While viewing the invoice pane, you can click New Invoice and then create line items by hand. Line items can be as simple as a fixed cost or use components such as time and hourly rate to have a calculated total. If you tend to invoice the same types of things, we even have a way for you to create line item blueprints and add those to the invoice. Either way, after you are done composing your invoice, the next step is to publish it to the client by clicking the Publish icon on the bottom toolbar. In ProfitTrain, publishing is an important event that will cause a few things to happen. Publishing will give you an opportunity to update the sent and due dates, create a charge transaction for this client on their balance sheet, take any line items marked as expenses and create mirrored expense records, and offer you a delivery method such as email or saving the PDF to disk. Feel free to leave this delivery method pull-down blank, as those options are available after the fact as well. Some time has passed and you have received a payment from your client. To record the payment, hit Add Payment and fill out the small sheet. With the payment in the system, the invoice will update, showing new totals for total paid and total due. To get an overview of charges and payments for this client, simply click on the toolbar icon labeled Balance Sheet. Here you will get a table listing all the charges and payments on file. This screencast has covered the basic setup and workflow of invoicing in ProfitTrain. There is, however, a lot more within the application, including built-in reports to tally things such as monthly income and expenses, spreadsheet exports to let you do custom reporting in Numbers or Excel, customizable invoice templates based on HTML, support for estimates, expenses, taxes, and more. The best way to find out if ProfitTrain is right for you is to try it out for yourself. A fully functional 30-day trial is available from the Clickable Bliss website. If you run into any problems or have questions, you can use the in-app help menu to read documentation, visit the user forums, or contact me directly. Thanks for watching.